Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side and pick settings so we can open them. And here we have to tap to smart suggestions. Now at the second place we have scan QR codes option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just using your camera and you don't need any other app to it. And of course we have to remember, like in short info from the device, that this can scan QRs when we use only the rear camera with standard photo mode, so we have to stay on this mode with back camera to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.